I represent to my all friends and the other artists who are living in Afghanistan under threat. They force us to leave our profession. I, I work hard day and night because I love music. I can't leave it.
I want to dedicate this song to my beautiful country and my people. My name is Aisha and I'm 21 years old. I come from a conservative part of Afghanistan and I was the contestant of Afghanistan too. So even my family opts my choice of becoming a musician, and I faced a lot of difficulties and challenges while making this choice. I decided to leave when Taliban captured a number of provinces, including the area where I come from. My music teacher told me, Aisha, it's time for you to leave, So it was very difficult for a mid-career singer like me. But I left my homeland not because I'm a Muslim girl who doesn't wear the hijab and covers completely, but I'm a girl and I'm a singer. So being an Afghan woman is tough enough these days, but being a singer is unacceptable to Taliban. When I was 19, I started singing. For me, music is a way to express who you are, what's your culture. And through music, through my songs, I express my emotions. And as a woman, it's very difficult verbally to show how we feel really. But through music, we can do it because everybody loves music. Afghanistan, women have limited rights, so life become more difficult when you are an artist or singer. My friends talking about they faced a lot of difficulties and threats from Taliban. It's very difficult and it's very painful to talk to friends, and they are just broken now. Even they afraid they cannot go anywhere, they cannot go even in their street.
It's every Afghanistan, Afghanistan just doesn't belong to Taliban. Taliban must allow women to live with respect and dignity, with their basic rights. We are uprooted from our homeland. People of my age feel so much unprotected, and therefore I humbly request the world to stand up to help us gaining our freedom back.